Hi everyone, my name is Gabriel from costestimator.com, and today I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough and an introduction on our brand new cloud-based estimating program, costestimator.com. So first things first, you're going to want to go to your profile and go down to company info. You're going to want to throw this on here because this is what the customer is going to see on your final report. So to get started on your actual projects, you go to create project right here. This page right here, this is the customer's information. So for today's test, we're going to do Johnny test project. Description, this is just a brief description of what you're going to be doing on the actual job. So let's say we're going to do some roofing, siding, and flooring, tear out, and replacement. We're going to do Johnny for customer name. Address is 123 Money Lane, Baltimore, Maryland 21214. Oops. USA 21214. Now your pricing within the program is based off of your country, zip code, and book type. So we offer 4 different book types in the program. By the way, we cover the entire United States, Canada, and Puerto Rico. So book type, you have kitchen and bath, which is great for custom kitchens and bathroom. You have specialty cabinets, specialty showers, things of that nature. Then you have the handyman and maintenance repair cost estimator. This book right here is great for your small jobs, your one-offs that are typically under $5,000. You have your house builder book, which is great for ground up construction. Build a home from start to finish, garages, things of that nature as well. And then last but not least, you have your modeling and renovation, which a lot of our customers go straight to. This one has a general overview of everything. You can do decks, roofing, siding, floor coverings, bathrooms, kitchens, additions, just about anything you can think of you can do within this book. So we're just going to go to the remodeling and renovation book. We're going to hit save and start building. Now on this page, we're going to want to go to add items. This is where the program gets good. So now on the left hand side, you have your plan. It starts in plans and permits, and then it ends down in cleanup for you. Now we do also have a speedy reckoner in case you need to get out a quick price for a bathroom or kitchen or shell block addition. I mean, there's various different categories in here. You can also see carports, decks, things of that nature. Now the speedy reckoner, what you do is you choose the category that you're looking for. I chose bathroom with stall shower, and you match up the image with the bathroom style that you're getting ready to redo. So once you found the one that works for you, you go to the next little box underneath, and it'll tell you everything exactly that's included. Now this, I like to call a very cookie cutter bathroom because it's not really anything custom. This is almost builder quality materials in my opinion. So if you do have somebody who wants a custom kitchen or a custom bathroom, you're gonna have to go back in and change certain items in here. But this is really for the customer who just wants an idea of what they're looking at, and then you can take it from there and build upon that. Okay, you'd like granite countertops? Perfect, we can do that. So back to the estimating. We're gonna replace roofing, siding, and then we're gonna take out some bathroom flooring. So any of your site preparation, under site preparation, is gonna include any of your demolition and your tear outs. So we're going to do exterior tear out. Let's just say we're doing cedar shingle siding. We're gonna do 1,000 square feet. So first things first, you click on this little guy right here to add the item in. You double check your unit of measurement. This item is based off of square footage. We're doing 1,000 square feet. Come over to quantity, and you just input your 1,000. Also, you can double check this little blue box, and it'll tell you what exactly is included in this item. Since it's just a removal, you don't really need anything for this removal. There's no materials that you have to buy. Material price is $0, and it's just going to be a straight labor price. We're going to do some roofing. Roofing shingles up to 8 by 12 slope, 1 layer. Again, we double check what is included in our little blue box, double check our unit of measurement, and then we do our quantity. We're going to do 1,000 square feet. Now we need to do our flooring. Let's remove some ceramic tile floor. We're just going to do 100. Now to start adding in, we just go back and we do everything in reverse. So we've got roofing and flashing, do asphalt fiberglass shingles, come down, we'll choose the first option, double check our box, we can see everything else that's included, double check our unit of measurement, and do 1,000 square feet. Then we go to our siding. We'll do cedar, shake, and shingle. You know what, let's do plywood. Add in our item. Double check to see what's included. Check our material and input our quantity. Last but not least, we're going to do our floor coverings. Floor covering, here we go. And this is designed just the way you do the job, so it should be nice and easy for you to navigate through. We're going to do ceramic tile at $2 a square foot. Check what's included. Double check our unit of measurement. 100. We're going to do 100 square feet. Now that we've got all our items, we hit exit, and we'll see everything in the project details tab. Now, let's say we want to change anything on here. We want to change the material price, or we want to change any of the wording. Let's say we want to change the ceramic tile at $2 a square foot. Click this little blue edit icon right here, and we'll just take out all of this. Let's say we just want it to say ceramic tile, and let's say we're going to change our labor cost to $7 a square foot. Then we just hit update. Now if we scroll down here, if you've noticed, this button is now green, just to show you that something has been changed, and it'll show you the old value, and it'll show you the new value. And of course red is going to be the trash can. Now that we've got all our items, we're going to come down here to the cost sheet summary, and we need to add in our markup. Now at Home Tech we suggest a 50% markup. That for you as the contractor is 33 1/3% profit. That covers your overhead, that covers your truck expenses, your electric bill, you know. So 33 1/3% profit is really the sweet spot. Now you're in 100% control. So let's say you do a 70% markup for your material cost, and you do a 55% cost for your labor. You know, your gross profit will now reflect what your different percentages are in all these categories. Now, an awesome thing that we like to do is we include in our labor costs, we include tax, FICA, and insurance, true costs of running the business. You know, Uncle Sam wants his percentage for, you know, you having that employee. You always have to pay, you know, FICA and insurance too. And then for material cost, your markup in here also helps cover your handling of the actual materials as well. So now that we've got a finished project, we're ready to present this to the customer. You now have the custom text for estimate tab, which a lot of people will either put a contract in here, or they will say, you know, prices subject to change. Throw a little sign bar on here. Some people also put, you know, you have X amount of days to pay the remaining balance, or there's X charge, or again, some people just throw a contract in here. Now you have two different reports to send to the customer. This is your simplified version right here. Now for the next three estimates, this top portion is going to be the same. You got your logo, your information, and then the client's information. This is where we put the price is subject to change. So here you've got your items, and then you've got a price for each item, and then you've got a total. Simple enough. Now you have the detailed copy as well for the customer who wants to see a little bit more on the estimate, wants a little bit more of an explanation. Same thing up top. Now you have, again, a list of all your items, but now you have the quantity, unit, material, labor, and other category for each of these individual items, a total for each. And then at the bottom it breaks down, this is your material category, your labor category, your other category, and your total. And finally, you have the contractor copy. Contractor copy again is going to be the same up top, very similar to the detailed copy with now an addition of man hours. So now if you come down here, it gives you your subtotal of all these categories before markup, and then it gives you your man hours. Now the man hours are really for the project manager, the person that's going to be in charge of running this job, making sure that it runs smoothly. I always tell people it's not necessarily for the customer. This is just for planning out your jobs. So for example, let's say it says it's going to take us 113 hours. That's roughly 2.5 weeks. Let's say we're at 3.5 weeks. Now you can kind of say, okay, we were supposed to be roughly at this time for the entire project or this portion of the project, and now it's taking a little bit longer. You can go back and double check and see what's, where's the hiccup or why is it taking a little bit longer. So then you have your markup in a percentage and then a dollar amount. And then your total price, which is your markup and your subtotal added together. And then you have your project selling price. And then again, your profit is broken down into a percentage for you and then a dollar amount. So the object of this program is to help speed up your estimating process, and the best way to do that is to always have your measurements ready to start the estimate once you've finished at the customer's house and you've taken down the square footage of your items, your lineal feet, your items, checked your doors and windows, things of that nature. It makes this program a whole lot easier, especially as you're running through plans and permits to clean up from start to finish. It's really easy to kind of double check behind yourself. Under each category, you have your main category and then you have your subcategories to make navigation a little bit faster. And then you also have your keywords, so you can do your searches. You can add a custom item to each individual estimate just by clicking add custom item, and then this will be in here. If you had a golden door handle that you like to do as a signature for every item, you can 100% put that into the program. Now this program, we offer a $54 a month subscription, which you can cancel at any time with no penalty, or you can pay for the yearly upfront, which is $540, which is 2 free months. So you're paying for 10 months and you're getting a total of 12. My name is Gabriel. If you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 800-240-8210. You can even schedule a 100% personalized walkthrough.